everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that often stirs quite a lot of controversy and curiosity. Can a married person be in a live-in relationship in India? This is a question that brings together aspects of law, society and personal choice, creating a complex web that we are going to unravel today. So, whether you're a student, a curious mind, or someone with a personal interest, stick around because we've got a lot to cover. In this video, we'll start by explaining what a live-in relationship is and its legal status in India. Then, we'll delve into whether a married person can legally be in a live-in relationship, exploring the laws and relevant case laws and judgments. We'll also discuss the social and moral implications. And finally, we'll recap everything to provide a clear understanding. By the end of this video, you'll have a comprehensive view of the intriguing legal scenarios in India. Firstly, let's understand what is live-in relationship in India. A live-in relationship refers to a situation where an unmarried couple lives together in a long-term arrangement resembling a marriage. The legal system in India has evolved over time to recognize these live-in relationship, providing some degree of protection and to the partners involved. What is the legal status of a woman who enters into live-in relationship? Protection under Domestic Violence Act of 2005. Live-in relationships are recognized under the Domestic Violence Act of 2005, which provides protection for women against abuse. Then Supreme Court rulings is the second. The Supreme Court of India in several judgments have upheld the legality of live-in relationship in India. For instance, in the case of Khushbu versus Kanyamal in 2010, the case was, the Supreme Court held that living together is a right to life and not illegal. Now, to answer the question, can a married person enter a live-in relationship? The question treads a fine line between legality and morality. Let's break it down into legal perspectives and social viewpoints. Firstly, the legal perspective. Adultery decriminalization. With the Supreme Court's ruling in Joseph Shine versus Union of India, adultery is no longer a criminal offence in India. This means a married person engaging in a live-in relationship cannot be prosecuted for adultery. However, adultery can still be a ground for divorce. 2 is bigamy laws. According to section 494 of the Indian Penal Code, bigamy or marrying someone else while already being married is illegal. However, live-in relationship does not equate marriage legally. This loophole means that while socially controversial, a married person can legally be in a live-in relationship without it being considered bigamy. Now let's discuss some relevant case laws. In Indra Sharma versus VKV Sharma, in this case, the Supreme Court highlighted that if a person enters into a live-in relationship while being married, the rights and obligations under the Domestic Violence Act still apply. The second case law is Tulsa versus Durgatya. The Supreme Court recognized that children born out of live-in relationships have inheritance rights, further solidifying the legal understanding of live-in relationship. Now let's discuss the social and moral perspective. First is the social stigma. Despite legal acceptance, live-in relationships, especially involving married individuals, often face significant social stigma in India. The societal view on morality and traditional values plays a crucial role in this perception. The second is moral questions. There are moral implications regarding loyalty, commitment, and ethical behavior within a marriage. These moral questions often lead to a heated debates in society. Indian judges have made various observations regarding live-in relationships and the complexities they bring while involving married individuals. Justice Deepak Mishra, the Joseph Shine case, he emphasized that while adultery is decriminalized, it is still a civil wrong and a valid ground for divorce, reflecting the delicate balance between personal freedom and marital commitment. Justice K.S. Radhakrishnan in Indra Sharma case, he pointed out that the legal system must protect individuals in live-in relationship from abuse and they ensure their rights irrespective of the marital status of the parties involved. Here are some legal facts and new insights. Maintenance rights. Under the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, a partner in a live-in relationship can claim maintenance, similar to a married spouse. Second is the inheritance rights. Children born from live-in relationship have the same inheritance rights as those born within a marriage, as ruled by the Supreme Court in multiple cases. The third is the changing norms. Legal norms are evolving and the courts are increasingly recognizing the realities of modern relationships, providing protection and rights to individuals in live-in relationship arrangements, regardless of their marital status. So, to recap, while a married person can legally enter a live-in relationship in India due to the decriminalization of adultery and the differentiation from bigamy, it is not without its complications. Legal protections do exist for individuals in live-in relationships, but the societal and moral implications remain significant. As society continues to evolve, so too does the legal landscape, aiming the balance between personal freedom and societal values. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the legal world. Drop your comments and questions below and let us know what topics you would like us to cover next. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.